This is our research and development area. And in this area, you'll see workspaces for both chemists and laboratory technicians. And what they're doing is developing the products that we will eventually manufacture and sell to other businesses throughout the country and even worldwide. So we have some degreed chemists, we have some lab technicians, and everybody's working on developing products that will work well at our customers' facilities and meet all of their performance requirements. This room contains our safety data sheets so people can understand how to safely work with the chemicals we use, and it also has some computer equipment that is used for color matching. So a big part of what we do is helping our customers consistently deliver the same color to their customers, and in order to do that we have to match their colors with a lot of precision. So our lab technicians, our chemists, and our quality control personnel all utilize this modern color matching equipment to ensure that every batch of paint we produce is within its color tolerances as established by our customers. This is our in-house maintenance department, and our maintenance department's goals are to keep all of our equipment running as much as possible. So we're doing daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly checks on every piece of equipment that we have, and our maintenance crew is trained in repair and replacement for most of the items that we use in manufacturing. Right now we have 3 people employed full-time in maintenance, and typically that position also does not require a degree, just a background in industrial maintenance. This area is our raw material storage warehouse space, and we also have some manufacturing equipment here. So many of the raw materials we store you'll see in bags. Those are our pigments, which is what gives our paint its color. And then the manufacturing equipment is used to produce the products that we sell. In this area, we have people who work in manufacturing as well as warehousing. They could be stocking pigments. They could be taking pigments off the shelf to move throughout the facility to use in manufacturing. And then we have our production personnel who are operating our mixers and cleaning tanks and filling our paint into 55-gallon drums or 5-gallon pails. This area is our quality control area. So we test every batch that we produce prior to filling it into its containers and shipping the products to our customers. In our quality control department, we have 2 personnel. Both have quality control experience backgrounds, but most of what they've learned that's applicable to their jobs has been through on-the-job training. So they perform up to 20 individual tests on each batch of paint that we produce, and once they have certified that the paint is within its specifications, it can then be packaged, labeled, and shipped to our customers. This area is where we are putting together small samples of our formulations that we would use for internal testing. So our chemists and our lab technicians will both use this space. They're weighing up small amounts. Typically, we do our testing in either quart or 1-gallon sizes, but eventually those formulations could be made in as many as 4,000-gallon batches. So we utilize a lot of modern analytical and testing equipment in this area, and the idea is to make sure our products meet all of the necessary specifications before they're shipped to our customers. This area is our large batch production area. So unlike the small batch production area, we utilize more powerful equipment that's capable of mixing larger batches. So we can produce anywhere from 500-gallon batches to 4,000-gallon batches in the large batch production area. We utilize a few different types of mixing technologies depending on the formulation and the color that we're trying to achieve. And the people working in these areas are manufacturing specialists. Typically, these are not degreed positions. A lot of our manufacturing personnel come to us right after graduating high school, or maybe they've worked in other manufacturing industries before coming over to us. But everybody receives a lot of safety training and a lot of on-the-job training to make sure they can do their job safely and accurately. In this area, we have 2 spray booths. The one on the left is used by quality control, and the one on the right is used by our laboratory to spray our paint and coatings onto panels. And then you'll notice that we have ovens set to various temperatures in this area. The reason we do this is to mimic the production environment of our customers. So for example, if a customer paints a product with our paint and it goes through a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes, we'll have ovens set to 350 degrees and we'll bake our panels for 20 minutes. This way we can simulate our customers' manufacturing environment fairly accurately. And as I mentioned, the spray booths are used by the laboratory personnel and by our quality control personnel. This area is our finished products warehouse. So everything you see on the shelves in either a green drum or a green pail will be shipped to our customers within the next week or two. And this is where we store our products prior to delivering them to our customers. We have several people that work in our finished goods warehouse, from people who are coordinating inbound shipments of raw materials to the folks who are managing outbound shipment of our products to our customers. We have multiple delivery drivers that drive our delivery vehicles, and for that position you would need a commercial driver's license with a hazardous materials endorsement. But other people in our warehouse are trained to operate forklifts and on proper shipping terminology and labeling and paperwork to ensure the safe delivery of our products and that our products meet any type of state or federal shipping regulations.